Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sarah and my channel is called Sarah Sweet Brews. Today I'll be showing you how to make the copycat of a pink drink from Starbucks. So here you go, this is the product we're going to make today. So you first to do is you just kind of take your packet like this. I like to use the Great Value Energy Wow Strawberry packet, because that's like my favorite thing to do. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to open this. I'm going to get some scissors. And I'm going to open this. And then you just put it in your Starbucks cup, because it has the lines, so you have like a perfect measure. So yeah. So you're going to do that. And then you're going to take your water. And then you're going to fill it to the first line. And then I'm going to take 3 pumps of the strawberry syrup. You can buy it from Amazon. It's $10 for a bottle, and I got a second bottle too. So it's just Colorado strawberry syrup you can buy from Amazon. So you just do 3 pumps of the strawberry syrup, and then you just take you can buy your canned pineapple juice. It's diet for 5 calories. Canned pineapple juice you can buy from Walmart, any store you want. And then you just fill it to the second line. And then you take your thing. You just take some of the water, put it upstairs, and then for the third line you can take your Tazo iced passion fruit tea. You can buy it from Walmart. That's what I did. And then add that to the last line, and then you take a little bit of half nap just to get the color of the pink drink. So you just take a little bit of the color, so pour a little bit of the thing into there, and then you just take some ice. I'll be right back with the ice, but yeah, I got some ice in the thing, and then I like to heat up some strawberries, so I put some strawberries. I like to put frozen strawberries and little pieces of strawberries in the blender bottle. I like to get a blender bottle because you can shake it up, and it's actually really nice to have that. So you just take your mixture I just showed you and pour it all to that, and then the color is there. And then you just take your cover and then you be careful to shake it up because it gets really messy and all. And then you just shake it up. You just shake it up like this, and then you just open it like this, and then I'm just putting it in my Starbucks cup if you want, and it's a perfectly good pink drink from Starbucks, and yeah. Man, that's really good. So if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. So yeah, so that's the end of my video, how to make the pink drink from Starbucks, my own spin of it. I hope everyone have a good day.